Schools have been also affected with some forced to close due to hazardous conditions. The public been advised to only travel is absolutely necessary to take extra precautions to stay safe. Many roads and transport links have been affected with some train service cancelled or delayed. Motorists have been advised to take extra care on their roads and allow extra time for their journeys. Great Britain have been hit by heavy snowfall, causing widespread disruption across the country. The Met Office has issued weather warning for March for the UK, with significant accumulation of snow expected in many areas. Despite the challenge, many people have been enjoyed with the winter wonderland scenes and the children building snowmen and families taking part in sledging and other outdoors activities. Emergency services have been worked tirelessly to ensure safety of the public, with the snowplows and the gritting lorry out and forced to clear roads and make them for safe to travel. The heavy snowfall is expected to continue throughout the day, with a further warning in place for the coming days. The public is being advised to stay up to date with the latest weather warning and to take all necessary precautions to stay safe in these challenging conditions.